A lot of times people are afraid to ask questions because they're afraid to bring something up to a doctor or a healthcare provider. But starting off with those right away and just asking them from the get-go can be really helpful to see how a doctor might respond, and then you'd be able to know, like, well, if they didn't even know these kinds of things that I'm really curious about, maybe this isn't the place for me. And not being afraid to speak up if something's uncomfortable, if something doesn't feel right to you. Don't be afraid to speak up, because the doctor or the healthcare provider really wants you to be comfortable, and their ultimate goal is to keep you healthy. And so if they're doing something that makes you uncomfortable, a lot of times they will want to kind of alter what they're doing. So you are the only one who knows what you need, and that you really have the control when you're in any healthcare provider's room. You are in control, and you should be in control. And really, I would say if you feel like a person isn't treating you with respect, that would be kind of key. So if you ask a question and it's either not answered, or maybe it's passed by, or answered in a way that you feel isn't being respectful to the question, that would be something that might be a cue for someone that maybe this isn't the right place for them. I also think that, like, friends and people that you trust in your life can be really good resources as well, because remember that you're not the only one who needs to go to doctors. Everyone does. So asking people around you that you trust kind of their opinion on this stuff can be really helpful too. I think that word of mouth piece can be really, really important as far as like how a person really does get treated, because even sometimes places that might say that they're like LGBT friendly, it might, that might just be something that they put on a brochure, and I mean, that might not be a lived experience that people have when they actually go there.